Hey guys, how's it going? It's Brian from Boss Blogs. Just another video here showing you guys how to jailbreak your iPhone 10, iPhone 10R, or iPhone 10s Max. You know, this is pretty much, it's easy. You can go ahead, you don't need a computer. You can go ahead and do it directly from your phone, and just go ahead and follow me with these easy steps. And you know, as always, please, before we start this video, make sure you hit that comment if you have any comments, or hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, you know, to make sure we spread the word out there. So let's begin. So first off, you're going to unlock your phone, and the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your Safari. Go to your Safari, and the website that you need to go to, I'll go ahead and leave it on the description down below. Jailbreaks.fun. That is jailbreaks.fun. So go ahead and you're gonna do jailbreaks.fun, hit enter, it's gonna load up, and the only thing that you need to touch here is this Unc0ver official jailbreak. You're gonna go ahead and tap on it. It's gonna bring you to a new window with description and version and whatnot. All you gotta do, at the very top, you will see that it says get. Just go ahead and hit get, and it's gonna ask you to install. If you know, it's gonna officially install into your phone, so go ahead and hit install. Go ahead and go back to your home, and you will see it, or your home screen, and you will see it downloading here. Just give it a second when it downloads. Now, before you go ahead and press it, you have to go to your settings, because we have to trust the app. So go ahead and go to your settings. This will be, or this function will be under general. You're going to go all the way down to where it says device management. You'll see that. And if you don't see that, then that means that you have not done it right, or the download didn't go through. So just go ahead and make sure that it does show there. Once it does show there, you're going to go ahead and hit that. And then it'll show up here. This enterprise app will show up here, so you just click on it, and you know, all you have to do here is hit the trust button. So you're gonna go ahead and trust, you know, a little warning side that you're trusting this app, so just go ahead and hit trust. Now you can go to the home. Now you can go ahead and open this Unc0ver, because if you don't trust it, this app is, you know, it's like it's broken. You press on it and then it just resprings to your home screen. So it really, you need to trust the app in order for it to go through. Once it goes through, you will see this window here, or this page here, with all of the info, you know, of the jailbreak. Easy as just hitting that blue button. Once it begins to jailbreak, you'll see the downloading here where it says exploiting kernel. It's gonna kick in, and you'll see that it's gonna start downloading all the necessary things for the jailbreak. Give it a second. Once it's done, you're gonna get a, let me open it up here. You're gonna go ahead and get this window here, which basically just tells you that the jailbreak has been completed. Go ahead and hit OK. It's going to respring, and it's going to take you back to your lock screen. So you're going to have to unlock your phone once more. Just give it a second. Okay, so now let me unlock this for you. Okay, so now it's unlocked. As soon as it's unlocked, I know you noticed, I don't know if you noticed, that I had Cydia and Snowboard already in these three apps. I already had them pre-installed, but because I wasn't jailbroken, or I didn't have the jailbreak, these apps would not have worked. They would have done the same thing where you press it and then it takes you back to the menu or to the home screen. So now that it has been jailbroken, it makes sure that it resprings. Once it resprings, you unlock your phone. Doesn't seem like anything has changed, but you will see that Cydia will be included. Give it a second to load. Okay, once it has loaded, there you go. You will see that it has officially been downloaded to your phone. you know, give it a second. I already had repos installed, so you know your list is going to be much smaller, probably, you know, about that big or that long. I can go ahead and leave some of these repos or useful repos with tweaks down on the description below as well for you to have and go ahead and install, and I can also show you how to add a source. After that, you go to changes. I believe when you first started here where it says changes, there will be like a number sign of number 3 or 2. I believe there should be an update that you need to do before continuing. So, you know, basically it'll show up there, and you'll have here where it says you know, which ones are required. So you just press on it and then update. But yeah, pretty much these are all of the tweaks, that all of the repos that I have, or all the sources that I have, what they entail and what they have. You can go ahead and always click on it. You know, you can click on one and it gives you a small description with screenshots of what does what. So it's pretty awesome. You know, this is basically what I have installed on my phone. One of the ones that I do not recommend, but one of the ones that I do like is this one called Barmoji. Basically, you know, what this does is it brings down your most recent used emojis down to your keyboard. So every time that you, let's say you're gonna text someone, you go ahead and click on it and you will see your most recent apps or your most recent emojis on there. You know, so you can go ahead and do that one. You install that one. One that I will definitely recommend that you get right away is called Snowboard, which is this one. All Snowboard is it basically it's a theming engine. So it basically, any theme that you might want to respring your iPhone with, you know, that's an example right there of one of the themes that it has. But in order for it to go through, you need to have Snowboard. Snowboard is basically like the fountain or the connector, or the extension, as you might want to call it, for you to be able to go ahead and update your own theme. This will only work, do keep in mind that this jailbreak will only work on firmwires 12.4 and earlier. You know, not the new ones, the 13, or I believe it's 13.0, 13.1. You know, obviously those are the newest firmwires, and there hasn't been a jailbreak yet. So if you haven't updated, unfortunately, you're out of luck. But if not, then go ahead. If you're still on 12.4, you can go ahead and enjoy your jailbreak, your jailbroken phone. Again, I'll go ahead and show you guys, or I'll put it on the description below, some of these repos. And in order for you to add, when you do want to add any of the repos that are listed below, you just simply go up here to where it says edit, click edit, and then you click on where it says add. And then normally it doesn't show you that. I just have that because that's a tweak that I also put that I can show you guys or give you guys if you would like, for you to install all of them at once. You can go ahead and do it as a batch mode. I can show you that as well if you would like. Just hit the comment below and let me know. And basically this is where you enter the repo or the source, and once you're done you click add source and it does its installation, and then it shows up here. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for now. If you would like to know any of the other tweaks that I do have, hit the comment down below, comment, subscribe, share this post as much as you can for all those people out there who want to personalize their phone, their iPhone. This is, I'm running on it's 12.4 and it's an iPhone XS Max. And yeah, you can see some of the tweaks I have. You know, you can change colors on your dock, on your control center. You can change the colors on all these little icons. You can you know, even when you lock your phone, you know how when you if you do have the face unlock, you still have to swipe up. There's one that you basically just look at it and it swipes up by itself. You know, it unlocks by itself. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's a lot of tweaks that you can mess around with, and if you would like for me to do a video or a test run, go ahead and comment below. Yeah, and hopefully you guys like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys. See ya.